Hello friends, once again I am back with a new topic on the series of PDF using Java. In this topic I will talk about how to merge multiple PDF documents into a single document. So first of all we need to know which one class is required for doing this. So the PDFMergerUtility class is there, with the help of which we can merge all the existing documents of PDF type. For this we have to create object of PDFMergerUtility to represent the output file, and then we will use this class to add all the pre-existing PDF files. So first of all I am going to create a PDFMergerUtility object. So let me add a function as merge PDFs, private static void merge PDF with a string type of variable argument. I keep the variable name as file paths. Now inside this function, since I will work with such a function which may throw I exceptions, so I put here throws IO exception. Now first of all I have to make PDFMergerUtility object. Done. Now set the destination file name to merge documents. I need to set the destination file name dir is my constant for directory location, and then the file name merge.pdf. We will create file object for each existing PDF document, and then we will add them one by one into the PDFMergerUtility classes object with the help of add source function. Now I have to scroll for each file path. So let me add a for loop. Here I will create file object for each one path, and then I will add the file object into our PDFMergerUtility object, that is pdm.add source and the file as a parameter. Thus in the end of this loop all the file object for file paths will be added into the PDM, that is PDFMergerUtility object. Now finally, when we have added all the pre-existing PDF documents into our utility class, so now we need to call the mergeDocuments method to merge all the documents. And finally, after finishing the for loop, I will call mergeDocument on PDM object. That is what we need to do to merge all the PDF files. So let me check my program's output now. Here I have added some statement to create 4 PDF files with the text as first file, second file, third file and fourth file. Now I am creating a string array for all those paths, as so you can see here that I have made a file path array with all my file locations, and here I am calling my merge PDFs with file paths as a parameter. So let me run this program. So you can see here total time taken by this program is 4 seconds. My program has successfully executed, and let me show the output. It is in the path e:/PDF demo. I'm going to there, and here is my 4 files 1 2 3 4 with the output as first file, second file, third file, fourth file, and finally the merged file with all those all the 4 files merged into a single file with all the content of 4 files. First file, second file, third file, and fourth file. So a very small program I have written here to demonstrate that how can you merge all the file into a single PDF. You just need to use the PDFMergerUtility class in this way. Add all the source file with the help of add source function, and finally call the mergeDocuments. That's all. Thank you very much.